This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Steve Drubus. Come see this new construction home in Stonehouse that's ready to move in. This home features a great floor plan with 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms with tile floors and glass shower doors, and a finished bonus room over garage. The interior trim package is substantially upgraded with wainscoting and wood-framed windows with custom head covers, large crown molding throughout, bamboo floors on lower level with oak hardwood stained stairway, along with soft closed doors on cabinetry throughout. Home features a beautiful deck on the back of house with lots of privacy, as home sits on a cul-de-sac with a long driveway and no one living in rear. For more information, review the details below.